we are going towards the bus stand. We talk to the scooty guys about tomorrow or today. We then move towards the palace.
We'll have food.
We'll have food.
Breakfast.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Food ये रास्ते में भी देखते हुए चल लेते हैं अगर कुछ मजेदार
लगता है. So all this will come in the video.
Yes. So these are the exceptions where like there is conversation going on. Yeah, so you were saying you can do some?
We can do some bhakti also. Right?
Yeah. But like to an extent.
Thanks for the disclaimer.
Yeah.
यार I can show this video to my friends and all. At least I do.
ये मेरी ट्रिप. ये थी ट्रिप.
हाँ. I mean, they get to hear me.
Yeah.
Silk saree. I'll take one saree for my mom. But silk must be pretty expensive.
No, I don't think hugely it will be expensive.
Is it famous? Mysore का silk?
पता नहीं.
People are saying, ना?
सुना नहीं ऐसा, but हो सकता है.
So wait, the bus stand, huh?
Yeah. सीधा ही है. Straight now?
I mean, just asking.
पूछते चल लेंगे.
No. नहीं आ रहे. This gadget is cool, right? Huh?
It's amazing. So small, so light.
And
4K footage.
you can hold it like this, not like this.
Yeah, that's an option. Like if I can do this, but ये बस स्टैंड सीधा?
ना बस स्टैंड तो होगे.
नहीं पैदल जाना है.
पैदल जाना है. Go straight.
Bounce bike.
Yeah, straight left.
Straight left.
This left.
Thank you.
Journey. Oh, food shop. बैठने की जगह है? नहीं, बैठने की जगह नहीं है.
Go to the masala dosa place.
हाँ. मसाला डोसा. मैसूर मसाला नहीं, मसाला डोसा. You're like, Anna, park?
So we can say.
Mysore Park, I think these people are also saying Mysore. Because of the tourists. Yeah. और tourists might get confused कि नहीं park नहीं, Mysore Park. ऐसे टाइप में हो सकता है. Yay! Big street. चदम्बम. या फिर कदम्बम. क्या है ये? च है या क है? क है.
Should be. Cha, at least they would have added some H.
H. Yeah.
तो आज कितने किलोमीटर वॉक कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
काफी.
Are we walking to Chamundi also?
We could. Worst case scenario we do.
Nice.
A silk shop.
This looks like a proper central road of
Yeah.
Mysore.
Yeah.
Wired, lot of
हाँ.
vehicles. I guess there will be a multiple silk sarika stores
हाँ.
and multiple sandal soap ka stores.
हाँ.
But each of the auto guy will have
Separate.
dealer मतलब deal with each of
Yeah.
the stores. So they take us there.
Yeah.
Why would they take us to a government authorized Karnataka state?
No. They just say that is like actually an emporium only.
Must be. Okay.
Hi. Don't worry, I'm not selling anything here. We need a special campaign from UNICEF India. Part of the meeting, all the proud youngsters here. 1 minute can talk with you, right?
1 minute we can talk. Yes.
Yes, thank you so much for your time. But it's a national campaign, right? We have a small age restriction. Your age is?
27.
You also, sir?
24.
Oh, no, guys are young actually. Just follow UNICEF in Instagram. Please
Okay.
can come forward and support this.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. You're a YouTuber, I guess?
I'm a YouTuber. Yes.
Yes, what is your channel name actually?
It's called She Walkin.
See Walkin.
She.
Walking.
She Walkin. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. You too. Thank you.
I'm not dancing.
I think we were too old for the campaign. That's why he asked the age and he's like, okay.
Are we old?
For the campaign probably, like it's maybe for young crowd. 18 to 23 or something.
Good. At least they stopped us,
Yeah.
so they might have thought कि we're
Younger. हाँ.
Good.
अच्छा है. Thank you. Khadi.
Can shop in Mysore, is it? Lot of good stores. What do we call it?
Yeah, but these Karnataka people are different and they have that nice kind of vibe. है ना, हेल्पफुल लोग हैं. बैंगलोर में थोड़ा बहुत आपको देखने को मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे तो फुल पावर, ऑल दीज पीपल.
हाँ. We should have recorded some stuff in train also.
या वापसी में कर लो.
We were talking a lot.
वापसी में. हाँ.
Good stuff.
गुड स्टफ.
We talked a lot of good stuff.
ट्रैवल स्टोरी सीरीज इन ट्रेन्स. यार ये
Shall I
लोग
hold
ये
the bag?
नो इट्स गुड. इट्स गुड. फ्यूचर में अगर चाहिए होगा. हाँ. ये लोग यहाँ पे ये बहुत खा रहे हैं यार. व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड?
Jackfruit?
Jackfruit.
Shall we take?
No,
You don't
no,
eat
but you want to go for a
never
walk
tried it? No, we get it like in our
in the
place.
yeah.
So I told you, there is this place called Araku in Odisha Andhra border.
अच्छा.
So there you get these jackfruits everywhere. So much that
हाँ.
kids of the villages and all, they just take from the trees and they keep it on the road and they keep
Sell.
selling for a lesser price.
Oh.
That's how they make their money, pocket money and
Yeah.
all.
Oh, jackfruit. I never really gave it a shot.
You've never tried it?
I don't think so. I just like.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know.
Why are you not trying it?
Oh, Billu.